Hey everyone! So today we're going to be doing this puzzle. It's a Ceaco 550 piece Snoopy puzzle. And it's tie-dye. And there's the crazy lady. So I'm going to be doing this today for you. And I'm really excited. I hope you like it. Okay, so these are now all sorted. I remember this one being very hard because all the edges are blue. And so all the outside pieces are the same color. And so I'm gonna set them out by piece shape. And then I'm also gonna set out some of these ones that have Snoopy on them at the top. Or at the bottom, I think that says feet. So this one's hard because of the blue and then because of there's just a lot of the same in this puzzle. So we're gonna get started and I'm really excited. So I'll put the edge together and then we'll get started in the middle. So here's all the Snoopy pieces. Here's all the tie-dye pieces. Here is all the pieces with that black edge. And then here are these little blue pieces. So these little blue areas around the puzzle. So let's get started. I'm excited. Okay, so here's the edge. And as I said, that took a very long time because they're all the same color. So it's really hard to figure out where they all go and what they all look like, stuff like that. So next I'm gonna get started on these pieces. And these all have a little bit of the blue in them. And so they're gonna go around the border. So I'll do the border. And then I'll probably work on the tie-dye part, and then probably this blue part right here, these little blue pieces, and then Snoopy, because I'm pretty sure Snoopy is going to be the hardest part of it. So that's my plan. That's my game plan for this puzzle. Hey everybody, so here's an update. Like I said, this puzzle has taken me forever because of all this stuff that's the same, and I feel like Snoopy's just gonna take me as long because of everything that's going on, and he's pretty much white and black. So, but once I get Snoopy done, then it'll all be done. So, let's finish it up. Okay, we have officially finished. Yeah, that one was very hard. There was a lot of the same color pieces, and yeah, that one took me a pretty long time. But anyway, so that is the Ceaco 550 piece Peanuts Snoopy puzzle. All right, well, thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe.